Jordan here with US Abrasives. Today I want to talk to you about the Micron coating removal tool. This is a great tool and very highly effective and efficient for removing epoxies, glues, paints, and other coatings from concrete surfaces with a floor grinder. We have the 3-hole option, which is the 3 treaded holes, and or if you want the 3 larger holes for the 3-pin magnetic systems are out there, just tell us you want the 3 large holes and we'll make it happen for you. This is also a great tool for very hard concrete. If you're having a hard time with any tool, basically they're all glazing over and the diamonds are rolling over, this tool will be great for opening hard concrete. So it's really effective and efficient at removing coatings, soft build coatings, and really good at opening up hard concrete, and it has a very nice subtle scratch pattern as well. So if you're transitioning to polishing, it's great. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the single rhombus grinding plate in the 16 grit extra soft bond made for very hard concrete floors. So this tool is designed specifically for, preparing concrete surfaces. It has 40% more surface area versus its competitor products, and it holds a higher diamond concentration of 30%. This means that it's highly effective at leveling off concrete floors, removing stubborn adhesives and coatings off concrete floors, and achieving that perfect surface profile so you can apply a high buildup coating no problem. You won't have any lift or anything off of the coating. If you want to expose large concrete stones or aggregate, the 16 grit, which is a true 16 grit, it's not synthetic, it'll do the job. Also has a really good cost per square foot at 2 cents a square foot. This is a true 16 grit. If you say a true 16 grit, you're getting a 2 cents per square foot. It's very low cost. So at the end of the year, you're going to see a lot of savings. So for more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today's spotlight will be on the Aero Cupwheel. It's actually considered a premium because it holds a higher concentration of diamond versus the norm. Now, this Cupwheel was designed for removing, coatings, removing glues, residue, light coatings from concrete. It also has a very, large segments are 10 millimeter high, so they have a really great wear rate. So this 7-inch cup wheel has 12 aero segments that are about 10 millimeter high. The wear rate's amazing. It doesn't smear the coating, it removes it fast. Great for leveling off concrete too. If you have a high spot you want to bring down, it's a really good wheel for that. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about a specialized diamond tool for removing concrete coatings called the Half Bar Premium Titanium Shredder. Now this tool versus a PCD, it removes soft build coatings fast, and its cost per square foot is very low. It's under 3 cents a square foot. But versus a PCD will possibly leave like some rogue scratches, and you have to follow, with a finer tool like a 25 grit, 30 grit to remove those scratches. In this case, you do not have to do that. You have a great surface profile to the concrete. If you want to remove epoxies, patching materials, membranes, thin sets, adhesives, it's the perfect tool for it. And you don't have to worry about damaging the concrete surface or altering their appearance at all. It has the option for the 6 millimeter treaded holes, or it has the option for the larger holes. We make them also for the Husqvarna, but it's not the same price. We also make it for Lavina, but it's not the same price. We have them in a full bar, so you have more surface area for the larger machines, or we have them in the full bar plus a half bar for the really large machines. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to introduce you to probably one of the best concrete repair systems out there, Tech Spall TX3. This is a fast-setting, high-strength polyurethane material, and it's designed for quickly to fix any damaged joints, spalls, cracks, and other surface defects like pinholes, etc. It's a 2-component product, so a 1-to-1 system. Tech Spall TX3 offers extended working time compared to its competing products. Its low viscosity and 100% solids formula, combined with its VOC-free composition, makes it a safe and efficient repair solution for most repairs for concrete. Now, not only is TX3 easy to mix by hand or with trowel, but it also can be combined with sand and making it a very durable repair mortar. So this versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of concrete repair, and including commercial, residential, industrial applications. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Today I want to talk to you about the RF Magnetic Series adapters for the new grind Rhino grinders. This way you're not married to any proprietary diamond system. You're able to retrofit your grinder and able to take diamond tools from mostly all other diamond tool manufacturers. All you have to do is ask for the large holes, and then all you do is just pop your universal diamond on top of those 3 pins, and they stick through the 3 holes that are on your diamond tool, and that's it. End of year, you'll probably see a lot of savings, north of 10%, 15%, maybe more. If you're in no man's land and you're doing a job or a project, instead of twiddling your thumbs because you're without diamond, there might be a guy selling diamond tools not far from you, and then you just purchase the diamonds, ask them to drill the holes. If the holes ain't drilled, drill them out yourself, pop them on those 3 pins, rock and roll. Maybe your machine will be way more efficient with someone else's diamonds. Maybe your machine will, production rates will just go up by like 30%, 40% higher versus the norm. For more information, message me now.